Hi, I'm Matt Kenney, and this is Cool Tool Tuesday. One of my favorite tools is the Japanese Dozuki. Kind of a funny name, but it's an awesome tool. If you don't know what it is, stay tuned and find out. Hey, I'm Matt Kenney, and I'm actually a pretty agreeable guy. And also, I'm trapped at the Timicon headquarters today, and it's a Tuesday, so they asked me to do a Cool Tool Tuesday. And I thought I'd talk about one of my favorite tools, one that I use all the time. And it's a Japanese saw called a Dozuki. It has a spine to keep it rigid and a nice long pull handle. Now the saw, what's cool about it, it cuts on the pull stroke. So it can be really thin because when it's cutting, it's under tension. It's not gonna wobble and flex. They're really sharp when you get them, insanely sharp. They have very narrow kerfs, so they cut a really nice, clean kerf that's really small. It's great for cutting dovetails and other small joinery. Something else that's really cool about them is that if it gets dull, or a tooth breaks off, you don't have to buy a whole new saw. All you have to do is buy a replacement blade. You undo the screw, pull it out, pop in the new blade, and you're ready to go again. And they're very easy to use. It's a great first saw for someone who's just starting out from woodworking. So if you don't have any saws yet, I think you kind of be an idiot not to get a Japanese saw first. Although I really don't think you're an idiot. But you should get a Japanese saw first anyways. And you'll be able to do all kinds of work with it. Joinery, flush cutting, cutting small moldings to length, things like that. So go out, get a Japanese saw, get back in the shed, get to work. For more information about Dozukis or anything else having to do with woodworking, click on the links below, but not on my crotch. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. It's pretty awesome. It's not as great as mine, but it's still pretty good. And that's it for me. I'm out of here. Enjoy your week.